Hi, today's video is for all of those of you who have bought a social media pack for the month from me, and anyone else who wants to bulk create their content that's a little bit more complicated than just popping one quote in like I've shown you in another video previously. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the type of post we want to create. Now I'm going to be doing an Instagram story. You can do anything though. It could be a post, it can be anything that you want. So open that, and you can start from a template as well if you want to do that. I'm just going to start from a blank design because I'm just going to make it really simple. So I'm going to pop in my branding, just pop that down the bottom here, just make it the size that I want it. There we go. Just make sure I can see all the writing in there. And the next thing I'm going to go to elements, and I'm just going to find something that I like. Now I've used this star before, so I'm just going to pop this in because it matches in with my branding for the Smash Out socials. So we're just going to pop that there, make sure that we like that. Now the next part is really important. We're going to add in the text. So first of all, we're going to add in 3 lots of text for this design because we've got a date, we've got a heading, which is the World Day, and in my case, and we've got a caption to go with it. So the first thing we're going to do is the headline or the heading, and we're going to make that box the size that we want our heading to be. We don't want our heading to go any further outside those lines, so that's why we're making it that size. We're going to make the font the size that we want it so that it knows what to do with that. We're going to put that up here, up the top, so that's just up here. Actually, we're going to make that a little bit smaller because this is a date. We don't need that to be huge. Now, the next one, we're going to do another heading type, and we're going to pop that, I think about here. We're going to do exactly the same here. We're going to take it out to the same place as we took the other one because we don't want it to go any wider than that. Now, this one's going to be our main heading. So we made this one 48. So we're going to make this one a little bit bigger. We're going to make this, let's say, 56, I think would be nice. Even a bit bigger. There we go. Let's say 58. Now, the next box is going to be our caption. So we're actually going to call it that, and I'm going to rename those top boxes as well. I should have said that as we were going. We're going to do exactly the same thing here. Take it out to here so that it doesn't go any bigger. This font, I think we'll probably keep it around about 40 because we don't want it to be huge. Some of them might have a bit of writing in it. We're going to move this one up a little bit higher. We're going to call this one the title, and then we're going to call this one date. All right, so we've got date, title, and caption. Now what we need to do is actually enter our data. So we're going to go over here to bulk create and enter data manually. We're going to clear the table, and then we're going to go to the document where I've given you all the world dates and the captions that we're going to use today. Now, I haven't got all the captions in here, but that's okay. This is to give you an example of how it will work, and you'll see it in those captions in the first couple there. So we're going to copy that. Now, if you don't have these world days and things, you can get them from me. Just send me a message. Go to my Instagram and you'll be able to see where you can download it from. If you don't want to do that, but you want to put in your own information, you can see what we've done here. Different column for each, different to match up with each of those headings that we put in. So let's copy that. Let's go back to Canva, and we're going to pop that into our table here. Then we're going to name these so that they match up with the information on our document. So we've got caption, we've got title, and we've got date. All right, once we've got that ready to go, we can click done. Then we're going to go back into our document here, and we're going to right click on date, connect data, and you're going to connect the data in the data column, in the date column. We're going to do the same thing for the title. We're going to connect the data, and we're going to connect the title column. And the same with the caption, we're going to connect the caption column. Now, the headings don't have to match, doesn't make any difference because you're selecting it there. But the more things you've got in here, the more complicated it gets, the easier it is if they do match up, so you actually remember what you're doing. All right, once you've got that the way you like it, I think we'll just move this caption down a fraction more. We're going to click continue and generate our 41 pages in my case. Give it a minute to generate, and there you have it. You've got all your World Day stories all ready to go. Now, obviously, as I said, I don't have the captions in these ones, but I will be writing those in, ready for you guys to use for next month. Everyone who comes to my Smash Out Socials workshop will get a copy of this. Otherwise, you can buy it on my website or via my Instagram or Facebook. Or if you just want to use this for your own content, you can do that too. Love to know how this helps you. Give me a like if you like it, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, bye.